Changing the language in the FuboTV app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust your language settings. Step 1. Open the FuboTV app. Launch the FuboTV app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Select language preferences. In the settings menu, find the option labeled language or language preferences. Tap on it to see the available language options. Step 4. Choose your preferred language. Browse through the list of languages and select your preferred language. This will change the language for the app interface and, if available, the audio for live and on-demand content. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred language, make sure to save the changes. Exit the settings menu and restart the app if necessary to ensure the new language setting takes effect. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the FuboTV app to suit your preferences. Enjoy your viewing experience.